Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube handle before 14 days. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first things first, we need to come on over to youtube.com and then click onto our profile, and then we need to go to our YouTube studio. Now inside YouTube studio, we want to go ahead and click on customization. Now if we scroll down here, this is where we can go ahead and change our handle. Now if you're getting that, if you can't change your handle before 14 days error message, that's okay. What we can try is come on over to our user profile, and then we need to go ahead and click on to send feedback. Now from here, we want to go ahead and describe your feedback. So tell us what prompted this feedback. So go ahead and say you'd like to change your handle before the 14 days. Say you made a mistake or something similar. And then we can go ahead and capture the screenshot with that error message. And then from here, click on we may email you for more information updates and click on send. And then give YouTube 24 to 48 hours to look at your message, and they'll get back to you to see if they can help you change in order to change your handle before that 14-day period.